Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Dola app. To use Dola app, start by downloading it from Play Store and signing in with your preferred account so your chat and settings are saved properly. Once inside, you'll land on the main chat interface where you can interact with the built-in AI assistant by typing or speaking, just like a normal conversation. It can help with tasks such as answering questions, giving advice, summarizing information, or even assisting with homework. You can explore additional bots or chat assistants within the app, each designed for different purposes, so you can switch depending on what kind of help you need. The app may also include features like voice message, image uploads, file reading, translations, and even web page analysis, making it more flexible than a simple chat tool. In your profile or settings section, you can manage notifications, create custom AI bots, and personalize your experience. Overall, the key idea is to pick a bot or assistant, start chatting, and use its tools to complete tasks more efficiently while keeping your account logged in so your history is not lost. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.